they're letting way too much garbage go down the drains.
Yeah, we used to have these floor drains, but we stopped using them for 2 months, and now pretty much.
Alright, you're good. See, they just let the fucking garbage go down the fucking drains. They stopped using the fucking floor drain covers. That pisses me off because now I'm gonna spend probably over an hour, maybe 2 hours cleaning my fucking cable. Mind my language. Sorry. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. Alright, so I kind of lost my cool there. The guy literally said he hasn't put the floor drain covers in over 2 months. Do you know how much garbage falls on the floor of these big box stores that have food production? Tons. It's literally, like I said, gonna take me over an hour to clean my cables, if not more. Yes, I could do it on the clock, but it's like 2:30 in the morning right now. And I get called out to something stupid like this, knowing it's gonna take me over an hour and a half to go home, and then I have to be on another job for 9 o'clock. That's why I bitch and complain about stuff like that. Because these guys that get paid peanuts, or they probably actually get paid pretty good, and they actually have a good pension here. So I don't know why they won't put in that little bit of extra work and just put the floor drain cover in. When it plugs up, take it out, clean it off, put it back in. So much easier. Yes, I understand I get paid to do this. But regardless, thanks for watching.